The meaning of plants, common teasel. In some cultures, this plant represents importunity, misanthropy and protection from evil. This plant goes by many names, including wood broom, barber's brushes, wild teasel, card thistle, water thistle, church brooms, Venus cup, Venus basin, Venus bath, cloves brush, shepherd's staff, shepherd's rod, huttonweed, pricklyback, Indian thistle and Our Lady's basin. The Worshipful Company of Clothworkers were created by Royal Charter in 1528 and have a teasel head on their coat of arms, in recognition that teasel heads were used to brush the nap of woolen fibres until the 18th century, when metal carding machines were introduced. However, teasel heads are still used to comb the bays of billiards tables. This plant is still grown commercially in Somerset for that sole purpose. In John Pesce's 1694 book, The Complete Herbal of Physical Plants, he wrote that the water that is received in the hollowness of the leaves is good for inflammations of the eyes. The folklore about the mini cups of water that form in between each pair of leaves up the length of the stem has it that if a young girl collected that source of water, they would have eternal youth. The common name teasel derives from Anglo-Saxon and means to tease or prize apart cloth or fibres. 16th century botanist John Gerard suggested in 1597 that it wasn't just the water collected in the cup of the leaves that had almost magical healing properties, but that the small maggots sometimes found in the seed heads also had the magical powers to cure ague. The maggots had to be wrapped in a bag and worn by the sufferer. He tried this himself when he had a fever and said that he didn't find it to be of any use whatsoever. Thank you for watching this video about the meaning of teasel. For videos about the meaning of other plants, why not click on the playlist on screen now?